Okay guys, so how are things? Right, I'm just going to fly through what I want you to actually do here with regards to your portfolio. So if you log into your OneDrive account, go into your My Files section there, into Documents, then into your Leaving Cert Construction and into your project, and you can see there's two files here on your project. There's a guide for the actual write-up of the portfolio, and there's also then a PowerPoint basically on some ideas that you could actually be working with, or just a bit of inspiration there. So just going into the actual guide itself, right? Most of you now at this stage have completed basically a PowerPoint document, and you've set up basically with all of these pages along the side here with nothing in them, just the headings. All right. If you haven't done that, right, you need to do that. So you're opening up PowerPoint. If you go into the design of your PowerPoint slide, go into slide size and go into custom slide size over here, and we can see here the slide size there we want to set as to an A4 page, and you want to make your page portrait. Okay, so that's going to make the page to be, once you print it out, it'll be an A4. So you can put it in your heading here, construction. Now you'll be 2021. All right, table of contents there is as it is, so you can just copy all of those from 1 to 12 there. All right, introduction, then we'll skip all of this for the time being. Project brief, we're going to skip this. All right, so we're skipping all the way down here until we get to our investigation and research. All right, now this guide here is set up under a table. All right, but you can make anything that you want to make. All right, so you decide on if it's a table, if it's a chair, mirror, lamp, clock, whatever you want. All right, but what I want you to do is I want you to be thinking up of designs that you could possibly make. Okay, so make something that's of interest to you, that you'll actually have a function and a use for, rather than making something just for the sake of it. Okay, so what are you going to use? Right, use your internet, Google Images, but I would generally probably look at using your Pinterest here, and I've given you a link to this. All right, so Pinterest here, I've if you just go in, even follow this link up the top here, or I've given you the link to follow here. So basically these are some of my pins that I've saved. All right, so say I've a good few pins there: lamps, projects, clocks, office design. All right, there's how to there on your sketching as well. But if we just go into your projects here, all right, so say just I'm going to click this one here for the sake of it, right? So say we're looking at a table. So Pinterest is a great website in that if you click on an image, it will bring up similar images to it. So there's the image there of that one, and if you're coming up, or scroll down should I say, there's various different styles then that are similar to the piece that you've actually looked at. All right, so say, well, this is of interest to you, so you're going to click into this. All right, have a look. You can see there that you've got multi-level here, and that you can store stuff, but you can also have a surface here for, say, if this is beside a couch, or that you can do your cup of tea, or if you maybe have your laptop or whatever. All right, then you're coming down, and there's loads more images here. So this is more of a desk tidy, as you can see. It's just a flat space there for leaving, so your glass of wine or cup of tea in your case, magazines, TV remotes, that sort of stuff. All right, so these are all going to feed into your investigation research. So imagining that this is what you're going making, right? You come across a design you like, okay? So click into it, and the image will open up here. Right click on it, copy image, go in then to your PowerPoint section under your investigation research, right click and paste. All right, so paste just as a picture. All right, then what you can do is you can have 5, 10, 50 photos there for you to look back, and then you eliminate, and you can kind of hone down in on your design. So what I want you to have done for Friday is basically picking a project type. All right, so decide on what you're going to make, whether it's a table, a chair, anything at all. I don't mind, as long as it's not overly complicated. Remember, this project, the piece that you're actually going to make, is only worth 10%. So we're not going to be spending an entirety here building and making it. So we want to have something that looks well, but is actually quite easy to make. All right, so head off there and do that, and few of you have been emailing me there regards to what exactly it is you need to do. So, feel free to do that. Send in images, and obviously now we're away distant learning at the minute, but I'll be able to advise and kind of guide you on what would be a possible project or what might be maybe too ambitious or the likes. Okay, so again, your OneDrive account to get your guide. There's and also a sample of projects here, kind of a bit of inspiration. And Pinterest is a great site. Your Google Images as well, and you're just filling in this investigation research. You don't have to worry about the text in here. We'll do that in the coming weeks. All right. So best of luck with that.